as you get ready to start using these iPads in the classroom, there are a few things that you need to be aware of. In the Settings app, when I go ahead and open up the Settings app, which looks like the gear wheels, you're going to notice that there are several things under the general settings that are listed. And the first thing that I want to point your attention to is the one that says Use Side Switch to, and you can choose either lock rotation or mute. We want to make sure that we've checked the lock rotation, and I'll show you that in just a little bit too. Also, the multitasking gestures, you want to make sure that that is also on. Those are the first couple things that I wanted to point out. What the Use Side Switch to Lock Rotation means is that the side switch that is up in the corner of your iPad, on the upper right-hand corner of your iPad, if I choose to lock that, it's going to lock the rotation so it will just stay either landscape or it will just be portrait, but it will not keep going back and forth as I'm showing you right here. The multitasking gestures is what allows you to use either 4 or 5 fingers to either get to the home screen by pinching your fingers together, or if I go ahead and take all 4 fingers and slide up, it allows me to see all of the different apps that I have opened. That also, if I scroll over to the left, is going to allow me to choose to use the Reflector app to AirPlay, to do some mirroring, to where what I'm doing right now on my iPad, you're able to see on the computer screen, which is what you would do as a teacher when you're using this with students. I can choose to turn my mirroring off by just swiping the little button that's where it's listed on right now, and that would allow me to turn my iPad off, but somebody else would be able to turn theirs on. You can also use 4 fingers to swipe across, which would allow you to go from one task to another task, to be able to see all of those different apps that you have opened.